Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tacoma front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some trim removal tools. Make sure you have a clear, level area to work in, and good lighting will be a huge help. Before you begin, always disconnect any electrical components like fog lights or parking sensors to prevent damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's get that old bumper off. Start by locating all the bolts that secure the bumper to the truck's frame, usually found underneath and inside the wheel wells. Use your socket wrench to remove them. Next, carefully detach any plastic clips or fasteners holding the bumper cover in place. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away, watching for any remaining wires or connections. With the old bumper off, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift the new bumper and align it with the mounting points on your Tacoma. Start by hand-threading a few bolts to hold it in place, then tighten all bolts securely, but don't over-tighten. Reconnect any electrical components like fog lights or parking sensors, ensuring all connections are snug. This step brings your Tacoma closer to its fresh new look. You're almost done. Take a moment to double-check every bolt and fastener, making sure everything is securely tightened. Next, test all your lights, including fog lights and any sensors to confirm they are working perfectly. Finally, give your new bumper and the surrounding areas a good clean. This ensures a professional finish and confirms your hard work has paid off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.